Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. 3 words: blissful, cozy, and soothing. What is it? My V-step orthotic slippers. Lately, I've been trying to find some shoes that have better arch support, but I hadn't really been paying particular attention to my house shoes that I wear around. I was so happy when I got these slippers. They were so comfortable the minute I got them. It has a nice soft velvety material that just kind of envelops your foot. So the minute that you put them on, they feel so cozy. And it has an extra little stretchy band so that it fits better on your foot size. The soles have a hard, thick, durable rubber on them, so you can feel comfortable just running outside to the mailbox or if you have to walk through your grass. I also appreciate how they suggest cleaning the slippers with a damp cloth instead of throwing them in the washing machine so that they keep their shape. So if you need a little bit more of blissful, cozy, and soothing in your life, these have been amazing. I love them and I highly recommend them. And that is just my point of view.